ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. There was no reversal. I mean, we didn't have any trade setup. Then the second one, we could mention we couldn't have entry above 1.66 in case the sharply price reverse. Anyway, as you can see, the way it's reversing is a corrective. That's why we should remove the entry above the at the 0.1.66. Okay, no one said what's the next and how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to 15 minute, we don't have anything based on 15 minute, and what we can see still, we can consider this one as an internal correction. Okay, that's why if we don't have any trade setup based on 15 minute, that's why if we move to 1 hour chart, mostly we can expect this one turn to a correction for one more drop. Still we can look for this. All right, unless we see the breakout of 0.166. Anyway, first of all, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on higher time frame. The only thing is the ways, I mean, it's not moving, it's just we can see the shadow here. This means start to correct. Okay, that's why we based on forward chart we see the correction here, but we mentioned any reversal we can look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart, and if I move to 1 hour chart, we need to be quite careful buying at this, because as I show based on daily chart, almost we're at the top of the daily correction. That's why we need to be quite careful to look for buy. Anyway, as we can see, still we have a correction here. If we want to look for buy, let this one turn to a deeper correction before we take the trade. Okay, because from what we can see here is a corrective move. Still, we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Okay, the only times, that's why if, I mean, if this one drop a bit more, maybe we can look for reversal. All right, that's mean if we want if the price reverse from here, we need to see the continuation with the sharp move flag. At least mostly we need to see the flag above 1.66. Okay, and having entry at this top, which is, as I mentioned, 1.66, is not a good idea right now, because the way it's reversing is a corrective. Mostly we can expect the price to drop before we get the next move. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, but any reversal with the flag, we will take the trade. The only way we can look for sell this one, turn move a bit higher as a corrective, then any sell we will take it. Okay, and right now we're looking at this flat. Okay, anyway, that's means still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Anyway, we don't have any option to look for trade. The way is moving is really corrective, but any reversal with the flag, we will be more interested to look to take the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.